Hey there, folks. Well, it's your weird old Uncle Mike, here to give you another strangely alienating but ultimately illuminating Gen X level lesson on life. Today, I'm going to tell you about justice. Life's not fair. The adults are right about that. What they mean, even though they don't know it, is that life is not inherently fair. There is no force in the universe, no cosmic justice, there's no karma, there's nothing that keeps the score and keeps things balanced and fair and makes it so that, good guys prosper, bad guys suffer, any of that. Nature is not fair. If a wolf takes down a deer, it's not that the deer deserved to die or that the wolf deserved to eat. It's just how things worked out. So yes, there's no fairness in this world except that which we make. Life can be fair if we make it fair. A simple example is the referee in any kind of sports competition. They can make things fair. They can ensure that the game is played fairly, with no one with an unfair advantage, and so that people can compete honestly and openly, and, may the best team win. We can make fairness. Whether it's the rules of tic-tac-toe or the complexities of law. Trying to make the world a fair place via our words and our, writing those words down as laws. That's what law is about. It is an attempt to create fairness, justice. So when someone says life's not fair, you can say, yes, it is, if we make it fair. Year after year, decade after decade, generation after generation, we strive to make things more just and more fair and more merciful. And progress is made. I would rather live in the world of today than the world that I was born into in 1973, that's for frickin' sure. Things do get better. I know it seems like they don't, especially when you're young. It seems like just everything is crap and everything will be crap forever and nothing ever actually gets better. But study just a little bit of history and you'll find things were a lot worse. So back to my thesis, which is that life's not fair unless we make it fair. Justice is manufactured by human beings and exists nowhere else in this vast universe except where we make it exist. And we can do it. We can make the world a more just and fair and compassionate place as long as we just keep trying. I guess that's all from me for today, folks. I will talk to you nice people again tomorrow. Bye-bye.